Hello beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Making. Well, in this video I'm going to take you through on how to do ponytail. This is ponytail. It's Bohemian Ponytail. Okay, so I've fitted in Bohemian ponytails on the starts and on the ends like 2 times so that it can become that bulky. Many people are going to ask me how I maintain this hairstyle and how I keep it in touch so that it cannot be so messy. So in this video actually I'm not going to tackle that part, but I'm going to tackle a different part where you're going to fix the hair in short braid. You know, this hair is very silky, so you have to twist it there below. Others are going to fix it just direct to the scalp, but to avoid it from coming out, I decided let me just twist it like one turn round so that it cannot come out. You know, the disadvantages of short hair braids is that the braids always comes out, they pull off and they come out, right? So for me to avoid all that, I decided to tell my salonist to make sure that she has twisted, I didn't say twisted, or gone round one time but not fixed it direct so that it cannot come out. It better comes out at the back or at the middle but not come out in front. Just imagine that you have your braid that have come out at the front part. You know how funny it will look right? So as you can see, I've added it like Bohemian. There it is added. I've just added one braid and then it has become, I can also add like 2. It depends on the bulkiness that you want. For me, I just wanted not that bulky but a little bit bulky. So that is my hair, very little, very tiny. It is a 1-inch size. Let's see in the next few videos that I'm going to do, you're going to see how later, 1 month later, how it's growing. Which oil am I using for my growth? I'll be going to use certain oil. I'm using olive oil and castor oil. Then when I'm braiding, I'm using the Bumsy gel, waxing gel. So for me, it is going very well. Others are going to be affected and making it very itchy, right? So this is what happened. When I was doing my hair, that is the part that remained, that one. And then I had only that braid. I used 2 packets. I only had that braid remaining. But what did I tell my salon? Let's do this, because it's already late night. We're going to fix it, hold it to be 1, twist it, fix it. It was very painful. I won't lie, it was very painful. Then we managed to fix it. Then we held it up high so that no one can notice it. And then the following day I went and she made it because we had run out of time. So this is how it looks like, very neat, right? Very smart and neat, very okay, very demure, very neat. For contacts of this salon, I'll post it below, or you'll have to comment so that I may be able to post you on this salon. They do the best they can, they meet the recommendation that you want. So feel free to subscribe. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Don't forget to ask questions on how it is maintained. I'll post it for you, how to maintain this hair so that it can remain with curls without them being so dull, you know, for the whole month. As you can see, this is a 1-day thing. The following day I'll post you how the second day looked like, the third and the fourth, until the 2 weeks, how I managed to maintain it without any pull, it being squeezed like a blanket. You know, you understand me how I'm saying, right? Okay, till we meet next time, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Thank you. Hey, sorry, and I apologize for the lighting. The lighting really distracted it, but next time I'll work on the lighting so that you cannot be disrupted on how it looks like. So you can see the party, it has already hidden itself. This is 3 days later. 3 days later, that's how it looks like. Then this one is a bit like 4 days later, still intact, right? Very demure. Yeah, it's a week later, sorry, a week later. Bye.